Hello, everyone, and welcome. We are so happy that you're here. As Dean of Academic Programs, I work to ensure the quality of our undergraduate degrees, our master's degrees, our certificates, and all the wonderful student services we've designed specifically for the working adult student. Adult learners are so inspiring to me because they have a variety of other commitments, but have decided to dedicate time each week towards academic pursuits. Academic pursuits in order to change their lives, whether it's preparing for a new job or learning something new for their own intellectual growth. We are here to support that change with the highest quality learning experience, the quality that you expect from Harvard. We offer over 1,000 courses, and the breadth of subjects is something you simply will not find at any other continuing education program. And we do online different. We prioritize real-time, live engagement with instructors and peers. While you may live at a distance, you'll feel like you're in a Harvard classroom. Our faculty are scholars who hail from Harvard University and other nationally ranked colleges, as well as industry. We have students studying from over 100 countries, bringing that critical global perspective into the classroom. And the far majority of all our students have 10 or more years of professional work experience. This means you'll learn as much from your peers as your instructors. Our students are so diverse. They are CEOs, CFOs, consultants, they're entrepreneurs, they're teachers and scientists and software engineers, they're baristas and public servants. They all come to Harvard Extension School because they want the best that continuing education has to offer, because they believe they deserve the best, and we believe that too. They also come to Harvard to engage in original research that benefits the world. We had a biology student this year who researched the incidence of stroke across multiple ethnic groups, a sustainability student who worked with IBM on a social responsibility plan, a management student who worked on pandemic-related employment issues affecting workers, such as anxiety and worker safety. Several museum studies students took up issues of race and representation and the need for museums to revisit their collections in the wake of Black Lives Matter. Finally, we had a psychology student who completed a project to increase empathy for incarcerated women. A version of her project is now being implemented by the state of New Jersey. While these examples are noteworthy, they're not extraordinary. In fact, they're the ordinary results of a Harvard education, which is outstanding courses, committed faculty, and talented students, plus a truly caring staff. Our students are diverse, but they all have a few things in common: the academic ability, curiosity, and drive to succeed in Harvard rigor courses, and to leverage that education for change in their professional, academic, and civic lives. I invite each and every one of you to join them and let your academic aspirations reach heights that you never thought possible. And let us help. Let us help you make the change that you desire in your life. Thank you.